Hi, Tigabay. Welcome to my channel. Ako si Jun Tariman. I am a journalist and a tech blogger. Remember, I told you last week I purchased two Xiaomi devices. And the other device is the smart induction cooker. So in days naila ang Xiaomi sa iyang minimalist design o ang iyang dominant white color sa tanan niyang products, making it nice looking and neat. Daghan sa iyang mga products are also coupled with best features that could compete with other elegant brands. So while waiting for the spare part, this round-shaped induction cooker stands out among the mostly rectangular-shaped induction stoves. In fact, more na siguro a round-shaped induction cooker available in the market now. I haven't seen any na round siya. The shape is space saver because it eliminates the space occupied by a rectangular design stove. Besides, halos kadaghanan sa mga pans o mga kaldero o mga frying pan round man. And the cooktop surface of this cooker is a black tempered glass. Then sa tunga niya na ang central thermostat that measures the heat transferred by the stove to the cookware. So mao na yung central thermostat. Kung once there's a pot or pan over or on the cooker sa ibabaw, this will be pressed down and this will also measure the heat of the pan, and it will be it serves as a sensor of the cooker. Siya na mo determine sa kainiton sa sa device. Then sa gilid sa stove sa iyang lingin mo na ang removable gasket nga mao is silbing blocking material niya to prevent the cookware from sliding off the top para di mahulog. Then ang inlet or air inlet o iyang air outlet are at the bottom of this appliance. If you can see here at the bottom of this induction cooker, unlike other induction cookers, the bottom of the Xiaomi smart induction cooker has its inlet circling the device itself. Look at this one. And it has a exhaust fan here. And one thing, the best feature for this cookware, I think this is also first, this induction cooker is smart. Meaning it can connect to a wireless application. And this time, nigamit siya sa Mi Home app. However, most cooking controls are done manually on the cooker. Pinagyan niyang minimalist control panel consisting of a single knob with a round LED display and duha ka soft touch buttons, the menu and timer buttons. I'm going to start. The power indicator display is sadly built. Di mo maklaro. Stir fry. Until musiga na siya. I can change the controls to from 99 to 50 and look at the LED lights. Okay, that's the level, the power level. Okay, and I'm cooking. So you can only notice it when it is already lit. Then once connected to a Wi-Fi network, the blinking yellow light will turn to blinking blue light while it is connecting. Then mag-steady blue light na siya when it is already connected. The blue light will stay even the unit is on sleep or hibernation mode as long as it is connected to the network. You may turn off the Wi-Fi light naka-option under the customized setting. Then over the Mi Home app, you can monitor the status of the cooker. Kung nag-operate na siya, whether it is on hot pot, steam and boil, simmer, stir fry, and deep fry. Actually, you can add cooking modes up to 8 in total. You can also customize and name your cooking mode. So I added Pinirito with a power of 110 degrees and a maximum 30 minutes cooking time. Unfortunately, ang akong setting is pareha lang sa simmer, hinay. So the power was low. Moreover, I can't edit the mode. I can't also remove it. Mahimura nimo is you can replace by other modes. I think the app should need upgrades or updates for this purpose. You can press the menu button on the cooker to select the cooking mode or choose it from the app. Kung sa app mo buhaton, you still need to manually turn on the cooker. You can set automation on the app, but it is only limited to setting a schedule for the cooker. The time button on the left side is used to set the cooking time. The maximum power level is at 99, which you can set by turning the control knob to the right.
That's the maximum.
Then the cooker is capable of low temperature cooking since you can set the power level down to 1. When you turn off the cooker, you can do it by pressing and holding the display button until it beeps and shut off. However, the unit remains on standby mode as it is still connected to the power supply. It is just sleeping or on hibernation mode. Natulog lang siya. Once imong tandugon ang button, bubip siya. Then matag og instruction na imong i-power on. Power on mo sa i-press ang button og few seconds, about mga 3 seconds or less than 3 seconds. The cooker is a 2,100 watts device. So it means you're paying about 18 pesos for electricity in an hour use. Mabot gini ka usa ka oras mo gamit yan, bayad ka na 18 pesos. Because it's 2,100 watts. Tako kayo siya power. Then with all those features, the induction cooker is still within a very competitive price of 2,490. Tapos daghang mga induction cooker nga papareho na niyang price. Now, tell me your opinion on this device down in the comment section below and I will gladly reply. Daghang salamat. Ako si Jun Tariman.